This is the last video in a series of 3 videos about digital analytics. You can customize a report within a standard workspace with additional features such as changing the report view, selecting a different date range, or removing the data rows from the trend display. Filters may be used across columns to focus on specific data within the report results. To use filters, expand a view of any report. Use the Report Configuration pane to make changes to the report. From the Select Date window, you can choose from a set of suggested date ranges or specify your own. You can also change the frequency from the default day to week, month, or quarter. Apply segments to a report by clicking the drop-down menu or, if available, the pencil icon. However, the segments must be selected and processed before they're available to use in a comparison or to apply dynamically. Breakouts are columns in a report that contain dimensions. The metrics provide data for these dimensions. Some dimension examples are a time frame such as day, a retail product, an online article, or a referring URL. The dimensions in standard reports have been provided to meet specific report objectives and typically cannot be edited beyond removing the day breakout. The day breakout appears when the report is in the trended view. To switch to an aggregate view of the report, remove the day breakout or toggle to a different view using the chart icons. You can include up to 10 metrics on any report to provide data measurements. Metric views are completely configurable in standard reports. The number of metrics available will vary by report. However, you may add any available metric to the report at any time. You can search fields for the name of the tag or the specific metric you would like to use, and the list will dynamically update. Use the chart icons to select the type of chart you want to view. Use the Compare feature to compare timeframes, segments, or both within the same report. Predefined comparison calculations can be included in your metrics as well. Open the comparison options and select Segment A. Your selection dictates the options available for Segment B. To add a segment that is not listed, navigate to the segment modal and select any available segment. The report graph automatically updates to a bar chart with comparison data, and comparison columns display in the table below. The Report Configuration pane opens, and comparison settings display in the date and segment areas. After completing customizations, save the report view for future use. Click the Default View drop-down and select Save Current View As from the list. Name your report view, and if you would like to make this view your personal default view, click the small star next to the name field. You can also modify your metric selections at this time. Click to highlight and select a metric in the All Metrics column. The view is saved as your default and the additional metric has been added to your view. Return to the report tile view of the workspace by clicking the collapse icon. You now know how to fully customize standard reports to see data that is most important to you.